Yet another very big legend in the entire food ecosystem, so I hear. I want to hear more, but this is what I'm told. And when Nadav tells me you're a legend, I listen.
That's cool.
What's your name?
Because Nadav is always right. My name is Erich Sieber from Peakbridge.
Okay, where are you located geographically in the world?
In Europe, actually.
Where?
So our company is in Malta, and that's where we run our funds, from Malta.
Okay, very cool. And where are you from originally? Is that where you're from?
I'm from Switzerland, from Zurich.
Oh, very cool. I was actually there recently. I went to give a talk at a private equity conference. Hold on 1 minute, I gotta fix this. All right, so what do you do? Talk to me.
So Peakbridge, we are building the most networked investment platform for food technology. We are establishing the investment platform, which is the most networked platform, because we believe that if you invest in young companies like venture, it's the network that you have that creates value for the portfolio and therefore for the investor.
Well said. I wish every single investor understood that.
And an example of that is we are the only VC member of a public-private partnership called EIT Fuld, which is basically 55 partners from the agri-food industry and academia, which the European Union gives 400 million over 7 years, and they give 1.2 billion in kind. So it's a deal flow engine, innovation engine, driven by companies like Nestle, Pepsi, Givaudan, Siemens, John Deere, Cambridge University, TUM, Technion, Strauss. So it's amazing. And we are the only VC member of that because we believe that this network will help us, the innovation, the companies to really create a cluster in food tech.
Love it. What do you think about what's going on here in Israel? Are you involved in the food tech space here?
Yes, you know that my partner is Nadav, and I think Nadav and Jonathan are probably the two guys actually driving this ecosystem. And again, as a Swiss, I believe that Israel is the Silicon Valley of food tech.
Amen.
It is.
I love it.
700 companies in space, and a country with 9 million people. So exactly the size of Switzerland, but probably 10 times as many startups in that sector.
Only 10? I think like 100 times more.
No, not overdo it in Switzerland. It's a pretty amazing country.
I love Switzerland. Don't get me wrong, I love Switzerland. A good friend of mine's a big tech blogger over there.
And we're very big in actually technology. So I think Switzerland is amazing for microtechnology, like Amaya, EPFL at Zurich, but less on the water part, no more in the sensor part, more in these kind of stuff, more in the technical part.
Is this your first time here?
No, it's my fourth time, actually.
Love it. What do you think about the whole ag tech world? Are you involved in ag tech as well?
Yeah, we're both in ag tech. I think they're the same. At the end of the day, we have to produce food, so it goes from seed and earth, to the consumer. And if you screw it up at the beginning, you can't save it, right?
It's the flow.
But on the other hand, the consumer actually have to push the agri-tech thing to produce what they want to need. So it's a really intellect section. But from an investment, it's actually different. Agriculture is B2B. It's business to business, usually. Where food tech involves a lot of the consumer. So it's different decision making, different timelines, so different kind of investment strategies.
Very, very
But it's one sector.
Interesting perspective. I didn't think about that. So I was telling you about C-Tree, the company that I'm working with. They use drones and AI to give farmers better visibility to the health of their trees. Right. So if a tree, the beginning of a crop goes bad.
Phenotyping through.
Right. So if one tree, has a quote unquote disease and it spreads throughout your crop, the way farmers traditionally, detected that is literally like a ladder and a flashlight. We have drones, we have AI, and so these guys, amazing company, they raised from the founder of Waze.
Okay.
Signing some huge deals. You'll be hearing about them soon. Anyway, man, this was an honor. Keep doing what you're doing. Anything I can do to help in any way, shape, or form, let me know, and Nadav will connect us.
Very simple. We look for the best deals, but only the best.
If an entrepreneur is watching this and they want to submit a deck, what's the best way to do it? You want to give your email, or you want to send it to Nadav, or what?
No more at peakbridge.vc.
No more?
Yes.
Love it.
No more.
Love it. All right, great to meet you, man.
Great to meet you.
Thank you. An ecosystem shows various signs of maturity. When an ecosystem matures, there are certain things that happen. One of them is that new layers arise. For example, now there's an entire layer of VCs on top of the Israeli ecosystem. Another indication that the ecosystem is maturing. You have no idea where I'm going. You're like, where's he going with this? But you're going to hear right now. Another sign that the ecosystem in Israel is maturing is that there are legendary entrepreneurs whose kids are now legendary entrepreneurs. Huh?
Yeah.
How do you like that? That was impressive, right?
That was very surprising.
Thank you. I take a bow. Thank you. All right, so this woman's dad. We'll talk about you in a second, but
Okay.
I'm sorry. I'm like a big fan of your dad's.
Okay.
So I worked with him years ago, but he's been at entrepreneurship for decades, right? So I don't know. Some people call him Ron, some Ranni. I don't know. Whatever. Ranni Oz, right? That's what I call him. Nicest guy on the planet. Give me his 2-second elevator pitch. Things that he's done in the past. What did he do? Give me some.
He was more in the cable industry and the industry of video and taking all this world of machine learning into the video world.
Right.
And he's an inventor.
Yes, that's true. That's well put. And then, as they say, the apple doesn't fall too far from the tree because we got another brainy over here, a data scientist.
Yeah.
Okay, what's your name?
Well, my name is Inbar. I'm a data scientist. My background is more about computer science and biology, bioinformatics.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes.
I'm gonna be very rude right now.
Okay.
What do you mean your background? You look like, how old are you?
Well, I'm 26, but
So how much background can you have in computer science already?
Well, listen, I've been in the special unit in the Army. I have led a big team of cyber researchers and cyber events, and I have, you know.
That's what makes Israel unique, right? Because in Silicon Valley, you're not going to find someone the age of 26 who can say they have a background in computer vision, data analytics, and data science. But you do already. Like you know, when you're 18, you go to the Army. So we're talking like a long time ago.
Yeah. So it's been like 4 years, 5 years of experience in cyber, and then.
Love it. All right. So what do you do? Talk to me.
Well, so as I said, I'm a data scientist. It means like I really love data, especially when it comes from the agriculture world. So I use all the signals from the field, from the factory, from weather events, and I take all of it together and I combine them in algorithms together with a lot of PhDs in my company. And what we are trying to do is to take this world of machine learning, of statistics, and bring it into the world of predictions and optimization in yield, in quality. So we use all this information to give in advance predictions to our growers for like, you're gonna have this and this amount of grapes by July, and they're gonna be in this and this quality. And this week there's a heat wave in California, so I worked like together with my growers to understand the influence of this heat wave on this yield to make actions in the daily life.
That is seriously cool.
Yeah.
What's the name of the company?
Trellis. Trellis.
.com?
.ai if you want.
Okay, you have a couple of different domains. Got it. How big is the company now?
Well, we're 25. When I started, we were 8. And we're quite special because we're a very diverse company. We have different ages. We have 50% of women engineers. I'm a data scientist.
Fist bump.
Yeah.
Love it.
It's very unique. And that's it. And it's quite special because we actually work with growers every day. I was last week in a tomato field like this. I just came from Napa.
That is so cool. And your VC back? You raised money from VCs.
Yes.
Are you allowed to talk about how much you raised? You don't talk about it.
I can't talk about it, but you can ask.
Okay, I'll do my research.
Yeah.
I'll look up on Startup Nation Central.
Yeah.
Shout out to Startup Nation Central. Anyway, so 25 people you said?
Yeah.
Based in?
In Tel Aviv and in California, we have offices there, but we work worldwide. We work in Australia, we work in California, we work in Brazil.
Love it. Super duper cool. Obviously, super duper hot space. I mean, you guys, you call yourself more ag tech or more food tech?
Well, it's more ag tech because we're focusing currently more in the supply chain side on the field, but in the future, we see ourselves all the supply chain, like more food tech.
Amazing. Amazing.
Yeah.
Unbelievable. Let's be in touch. Ask your dad to connect us by email.
Yeah.
It's very weird for me that I'm like sitting with someone who's like 100 times smarter than me, and I'm friends with your dad. That's just weird. But anyway, let me know if I can help with anything. It sounds incredible, and yeah, I'm looking forward to hearing more.
Really nice to meet you.
Good luck. Thanks. So everyone in this crowd has a title, right? We got the biggest investors, we got the biggest, entrepreneurs. Your title? Best looking guy in the conference.
Oh, thank you.
What's true is true, my friend. Who are you? What's your name?
My name's Oded Lavie.
You've been on the vlog before, right?
I've been shown on it. I haven't talked on it yet.
Really?
Yeah.
That is not okay, my friend. Not okay at all.
That is okay.
No. Let me just make sure we're in focus here because that good looking face of yours. So talk to me. Who are you? What do you do?
My name is Oded Lavie, and I am...
He's actually this good looking in real life. It's not just the camera that's flattering. It's the hair, by the way.
I am VP Innovation and Biz Dev for Publicis Group Israel.
Publicis Group was what, number 3 biggest ad agency in the world?
Advertisement and marketing agency in the world. We just recently purchased a marketing automation company called Epsilon. We've got an IT consultancy company called Sapien. So yeah, we're kind of in the mix.
Give me just so people have some context. Who are some of your customers in the world?
Okay, Kellogg's, Kraft Heinz, Unilever, P&G, Fiat Chrysler.
I think they get the point.
Yeah, McDonald's. They are all each in his part. Like Unilever are with Sapient and P&G are with the comms and media.
Love it. So what do you do? What does it mean that you run the ecosystem here? What do you actually do?
I am looking for startups that help our clients and our group solve business challenges.
That's awesome.
It is.
Okay. And what did you do before this, by the way?
Before this, I worked at McCann, Tel Aviv, as digital VP, innovation, production.
So you know who you are? I just figured it out. You're the madman guy.
I'm a madman, but also with math man.
You know I'm talking Mad Men, the show. Like advertising today is like the dirty word. But you're actual legit advertising. Like you bring us back to when the ads were great.
I hope so.
I think so. Okay, so what are you doing here today?
Coming to hear FoodTech, agri-tech. A lot of our clients are in this space. Kellogg, Kraft Heinz, McDonald's, Coca-Cola. A lot of our clients are into this area, and I want to know what's on their mind. What's on the companies who want to work with them? What's on their mind?
Love it. Okay, and tell me something else. What are your thoughts in general, or what's the company's thoughts on Israel? Meaning, you guys are publicists. You're huge. You're all over the place. Why Israel? Why are you even here in the first place?
Well, the operation here started as an advertisement and marketing agency. We've got here about 350 employees. We've got here a few advertisement agency brands. We've got here media. We've got here events, content. And in the past 2 years, we've decided to deepen our contacts with the ecosystem and the startups so our clients can enjoy it. Because our clients are coming here with Deloitte, with EY, with Startup Nation Central, and we think that we also have a value to bring in as a partner or as the people who bring them here, because we have a perspective on their relationship with their consumers for 5, 10, 15, 20 years. So we not only bring industry knowledge or consumer knowledge, we bring relationship knowledge. How has your consumers changed in the past 10 years, and what kind of technologies are they looking for in context to you and your products?
Relationship knowledge, TM.
Nice, I like it.
Trademark that. Wikipedia that.
Knowledge.
Love it. Listen, man,
Damn,
you having a good time today? He's
Yeah.
writing it down. You just said it, not me.
I know I said I just need not to forget it.
Relationship knowledge. I like it. You having a good time today? It's a pretty
Very
impressive.
good.
It's a nice
How are
event.
you? You having a good time?
Yeah, man, the chicken was great.
What are you doing here?
Can you taste the chicken?
Of course I did.
Are you, as we say in Hebrew, milim lan chata right now, asking me what I'm doing here?
What are you doing here?
You're giving me the opportunity to promote C-Tree. Is that what you're doing right now?
C-Tree. I love C-Tree. I think they're doing an amazing job.
I love C-Tree too. What a coinky dink.
I think that they might be of interest to a lot of my clients.
Have you actually met with them? Like,
I met with Barak for a few minutes, but I need to close a few things down within my organization before I can sit down and seriously have a nice conversation.
beautiful. We'll make it happen, man.
We will.
Always good to catch up, my friend. I think this is the second time I'm seeing you this week, and I haven't seen you in months before that. Oh, I almost forgot. When was the last time we hung out? Where were we?
Wow, Italy probably.
Yeah, man.
That was 2
H-Farm.
years ago.
Heaven on earth.
Heaven on earth.
Places.
We need to go back somehow.
No question about it. Love it, dude. Good to see you, my friend.
They're here. Ciao.
What a day that was. What an event. Dear event organizers, make tech conferences inside with air conditioning, especially lunch. It was so hot there today. But hopefully you gained some insights from some of the food tech execs and VCs that you met. Tomorrow's Ag Tech, an entire day of agriculture geekiness. That's going to be awesome. Super pumped, going with C-Tree and Barak and the team. Pumped about that. And yeah, expect some pretty epic interviews tomorrow. See you then.